So you can say x, which is something you are comparing, y से गुना है. Okay, so you can say apple, which is your x, banana से 5 गुना, let's say I'll keep it simple, expensive है. Apple banana से 5 गुना expensive है. So one is like Ron John से लंबा है. ओके, और 3 गुना लंबा है. ओके, और स्टेसी सारा से 3 गुनी लंबी है. Right, so you see the moment when I was using lamba, it's like, you know, 3 guna. If I change it to feminine, it's 3 guni. Right, I'm going to share my screen again. So x y से दुगुनी असरदार है. So this is the one which is superior or, you know, inferior. Right? Are you comparing against to y से? Whatever is compared against, x y से दुगुनी असरदार है. Okay, so you can use it either way. You can use asar also, but my sentence will slightly change, right? But this is effective. You can say also x का असर y से दुगुना है. Just like in English, you can use effective versus effect, right? I mean, the effect of x is twice as much as y, or x is twice as effective as y.